Well, you call Enterprise. That's not my car. I don't know why you're pulling me over, first of all.
I explained to you the validation.
No, but this is a rental car.
A man waits inside his rental car. The officer stops him without giving a clear reason. He asks simple questions, but the answers create confusion. Things that should be small become big. Step by step, the moment turns tense. A quiet ride becomes a serious situation.
Yeah, 1 second.
Thanks. How long have you had this?
Huh?
How long has it been rented?
Oh no, my car break down and
And another question, you just turned that on, right? Like you didn't have that while you're...
no, I just turned it on. Yeah.
You have your driver's license?
Yeah, I have my driver license.
How long has it been rented?
Oh, the insurance rented for me.
You don't know how long have you had this
I don't
rental?
know. I don't know.
You don't know when you rent a car?
No.
Because it seems like a while. If the validation tag expired in December.
Well, you call Enterprise. That's not my car. I don't know why you're pulling me over, first of all.
I explained to you the validation.
No, but this is a rental car.
The onus is on the driver, though. The onus is on the driver to have validated plate.
Well,
you're driving a car with no validated
That's
plates.
not my problem. That's
It is.
Enterprise.
You're the driver.
No, that's not my problem. You call Enterprise.
You're the driver.
Look at the receipt.
When I give you the ticket, it's going to go to the driver, not Enterprise.
So you give me a ticket for Enterprise.
You're not. The onus is on the driver to make sure the vehicle he is driving.
So when's the plate with expired?
That's why I'm asking. That's why I'm asking when you rent. It's expired in December. You
Well,
understand what I'm saying?
Well, it's not been a long time. It's been renting.
Well, that's what I'm getting at.
Can I go see? Can I go see you? Tell me the plate is expired. Can I go see?
It's right here.
So that's your mistake.
That is my mistake.
Did you see because it's a black person? Yeah,
Never.
come on. That's
Never.
not
I didn't
not
even see
profit.
who was driving the car. I look at the plates.
Huh?
I didn't even see who was driving the car.
No, because I've been getting pulled by police officer asking me where I'm come from, and I'm tired of this. You know?
No.
You know your job as a police officer.
Yeah.
Yeah, but why did you just come and say that the plate was expired? This is 2020. Look at it. It's 2020.
I get that.
No, but I saw you over there. I saw you over there.
Oh, I didn't see the driver.
Yeah, you saw me over
No,
there.
no, I
You
didn't
saw
see
me
the-
over
Well,
there.
yeah, of course.
Yeah.
So I ran the plate.
Yeah, you saw me over there. Now you see me. I'm driving an expired plate.
Yeah, no, that's my mistake. I was kind of here.
Yeah, you should look first. Give me my
No,
license, driver.
I did.
Yeah, you should look first before you just pull me.
I did look.
Yeah, but you saw me first. I saw you
no,
look
no.
at me
This
first.
is where you're
Yes,
mistaken.
you look at me
I
first.
ran a plate.
No, you didn't run the
You
plate.
came from my south.
Okay, you computer. You know when you ran the plate. What did you see?
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
The
Okay,
sound-
well stop pulling people over based on the race.
We were mandated.
No, you pulling people based on the race. That's what you're doing. That's what I do. I saw you over there. I saw you over there.
I've never had
You're
a
doing
complaint
shitty
about
business.
We're mandated traffic enforcement. I look at a
No,
valid tag.
yo, I've been pulled over there.
I can't speak on other officers. You came from behind me. I did not see who was driving the car.
How many people
I'm
have?
running
How many
plates.
people have pulled over there? How many people you saw driving there?
We just started.
Huh?
We just started.
Come on. You
No,
just
no, don't
you
play
just
the race card.
doing a
Do not
shitty
play the
business.
race card. I've
No,
never had a complaint from the race whatsoever once in my career.
Okay.
Don't pull the race card. I didn't see you pull up from behind me. They're mandated traffic.
Traffic enforcement. Traffic enforcement
100%.
based
Number
on
one
racial
complaint
profile.
from the public, Traffic enforcement.
Oh, come on, bro.
Look
You,
it up.
what?
Number
Okay.
one mandated
How
thing
come you
for
say? How come you say my plate was expired? Now you say my plate is not expired. You say me I'm driving a expired
If
plate.
I'm being a man, I made an honest mistake.
You made an honest mistake. That's bullshit. Bullshit.
What does that mean?
Come on,
You can't
you tell me you're making honest mistake.
I'm owning up to making a mistake, and you want to say bullshit?
What about if I make
I don't
mistake?
get
Come on.
He tried to stay calm and polite. He asked what was wrong again and again. The answers didn't match. The reason kept changing. It wasn't just about papers. It felt personal. This wasn't just a traffic stop. It was a moment that showed how easily things can change and how one question can feel like a fight. Here is another case. A calm road, a Dubai car on U.S. streets. The tourist speaks with pride. The officer questions with doubt. Papers fly, voices rise, law meets misunderstanding, and a road trip takes a sharp turn.
Hello. Hey, I'm Trooper Rummer with the State Police. I got a little
to meet you.
microphone.
Nice to
Gonna
meet you.
record our conversation, okay?
Yes, sir.
The reason I'm stopping you is because you don't have any license plates on this car.
Okay.
Any reason for that?
I'm from Dubai. My license right there.
Okay, but you're not in Dubai. You're...
I'm visiting as a tourist.
well, no, you're not visiting as a tourist if you brought a car with you.
Uh,
Okay,
well-
do you have your driver's license with you?
Yeah, of course. How it works is we ship the car.
Permit.
What you need is a carnet.
What's that?
A carnet. It's a very rare thing. I know you're confused, but we
No,
fly
I'm
them.
not confused. If you want to drive this car,
Yeah.
you have to have a license plate from somewhere in the United States or a trip permit, which you don't have. Do you have your driver's license with you?
Yes, sir. Yeah, the way it works is we get a EPA exemption.
Pardon me?
A EPA exemption, and then a carnet de passage.
Do you have any of that?
Of course, yeah. I'm gonna provide
You
everything.
have something that says you can drive this car on the road?
Yes, sir.
Let's take a look at that.
Of course. So it's gonna be a lot of documents. I'll give you one by
Because I
one.
think what you're talking about is the ability to import this, and what I'm talking about is registering it.
No. Well,
You have your driver's license with you.
yeah. I'm just trying to answer your questions. Well, it's a temporary thing. I'm visiting as a tourist.
I can't hear you.
It's a temporary import.
It's
and
a what?
It's a temporary import. It's not a permanent thing. We fly our cars here, we do our trips, and we fly them back. That's how it works. I know it's confusing, but...
No, it's not confusing. It's very simple.
No,
All
sir,
right. If you have some sort of import,
Yeah.
that's to get it into the country. Okay.
I'll
Let me see what you have that says you can drive it on the road in Oregon.
You'll understand in a second.
Pardon me?
You're gonna understand in a second.
I'm pretty sure I know what I'm talking about right now.
So this is my permit. I'm gonna provide you with driver's license in a second.
Do you have your insurance with you?
Yes, sir. So this would be the international driver's license, which they come as a package. There you go. The other part is inside it as well. This would be the registration of the vehicle.
What is this?
The registration of the vehicle.
Okay.
Yeah.
What I need is proof of insurance.
Sure.
This is
So the
this is Canada? Okay.
no, sir.
There you go.
This is UAE.
I need your insurance.
All right. Why are you so defensive? I'm trying
Pardon
to.
me?
Why are you so defensive? I'm trying to.
No, I'm just asking for these documents and you won't quit talking about other stuff.
No, sir. I provide you everything
I
you've
want
asked
your
for.
insurance, okay?
I provide you.
I don't need anything else right now.
Sure. You just asked me for the document.
Pardon me?
You just asked for a document. I provided you, and I'm gonna provide you the insurance in a second, sir. Give me a second.
Why don't you keep working on that and I'll be back with you in a minute.
Sure.
Did you find your insurance?
Yes, sir. There you go.
This is not insurance.
Sir, on the bottom, you can read it. It's insurance. The policy number is there as well.
Where are you taking this car?
I'm going to Canada.
We're going where?
I'm going to Canada, Vancouver.
Where did you import the car into?
From Canada, I drove it in here. I do a road trip every 2 years.
You do a what trip?
Imagine you want to drive your car in Europe. What do? You ship your car there, you drive it for a month, and you ship it back.
No, that's not what I do. Okay, look.
What is your question, officer? I can answer your question.
Look.
Yes, sir.
Here's your stuff here. You got to get a temporary permit, okay? I have another call I have to go to.
Sir,
be safe pulling out into traffic.
It's a federal law. You don't know the law.
Questions remained, but answers felt missing. The tourist held his ground with papers in hand. The officer walked away with a warning. Confusion stayed behind. A journey meant for joy turned into a story worth watching again. Here is another case. Up near the canyon, thinking of a quiet hike, maybe some reading in the sun. The wind was still, birds were just starting to move, and the world felt slow. But before he could step out, a patrol car pulled in, then another, then one more. 3 officers surrounded his car, voices asking for windows down and documents. He stayed calm, kept his hands visible, and tried to understand. What had he done?
You're talking to me just fine. That's a fucking personal issue, I guess. I do. No, what crime have I committed? Yeah, because I haven't committed a crime. Okay, so let's talk. I'm gonna film you. I'm gonna film you for my safety. Huh?
I'm asking you to get behind the wheel of the vehicle.
That's off.
So I'm asking for your driver's license.
And I haven't committed a crime, so I'm declining that.
Go ahead and make it hard.
Okay, like I haven't even done shit. They just barely got up here.
What's the issue? Why are you being so uncompliant?
Cause I never had a good experience with cops. I've always been like fucking racially profiled or some type of, like right now, first thing that whatever fucking dipshit said, his eyes are glossy. I haven't smoked in God knows how long cause I'm fucking trying to get a job right now. Like I'm literally staying sober so that I can fucking have a better chance of getting a job. And homie just comes up and says, oh, he's smoking weed. Like, yeah, go fuck yourself. Nah, I haven't even done shit. I'm talking to you right now. Okay.
So down the window, talk. We can have a real conversation.
We're having one right now, aren't we?
Well, not really.
Okay, well.
Trying to talk through a window, a closed door, and a tinted out window.
It's pretty open. We can hear each other, so that's all that really matters. You can see my hands and shit. I ain't doing nothing. I haven't committed a crime. Y'all haven't like, I don't know. I don't know why 3 of y'all pulled up on me when I haven't done anything. I was really about to get out of my car and just go on a little hike because I'm like clearing my mind. I literally have my book right there too. I was gonna read my book while hammocking and shit.
Still go book.
So what do you guys want?
Just roll the canyon areas about talking.
Alright, well, we're talking. Alright. I'm not like...
But you're acting so completely opposite of what the average normal person do. It raised.
I ain't the average person.
You gotta.
No, I do not.
You're acting like it.
Well, I don't.
Okay, so you're not doing anything wrong. Don't have any fear. Why you act so non-compliant?
Cause I don't fuck with 12.
What?
I don't like police for reasons like this, you feel? It is. Patricio, yeah.
Alright, how old are you?
I don't gotta answer questions.
20?
I'm getting there.
Huh?
Getting there.
In there?
Yeah.
18?
Y'all got my name, right? You can search it up. I'm sure of it. Got my plates, like...
Huh?
You got my plates. You got my name. I'm sure you could search it up in your guys' system.
Not real reception up here is horrible.
Well, yeah, that's true, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, have fun.
All right, you guys have a good one. Oh my god. Holy shit. That's awesome, bro. Fuck so. Look at these bitch ass motherfuckers, bro. Holy shit. Oh my god. That's fucking wild.
The questions kept coming, but he stood his ground, clear, respectful, and firm. He knew his rights and wasn't afraid to speak. Even when their tone shifted, he didn't lose his. In the end, they had what they needed, and he had something they didn't expect. Control of the moment without fear. The canyon was still there, waiting for him, quiet as before. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real stories that matter.